It's a really interesting time to be a fiber artist. Fiber is working its way into other art mediums as well. Mixed media is a big classification now, and incorporating all of these things together is amazing. And I create lots of joyful, whimsical creations. I have a tendency to go with reckless abandon wherever my art takes me. And it's taken me several different directions. I am a yarn bomber, I tie knots, I knit, I crochet. I like to do it all and incorporate all of those methods into my work. When I first started as a fiber artist, I wanted to make pretty things. It was more for the purpose of decorative work. And as I evolved my practice, I found that there were certain aspects of my work that were resonating with people. People saw in my vessels that I was speaking of the human body, the female form, a vessel. So there are certain things that the viewer conveys upon the work, and I started listening to some of those comments. My Body Cocoon series is very much about the human body, the female body specifically. We conceal and reveal our shape and our form. We enhance, but we like to put a veil over it. Those concepts begin to shape what you do next with your work. So when I was looking for hot pink yarn, I happened to be going through a hardware store. There was this tape, surveyor's tape, flagging tape. It's plastic. I saw that and I've got to try and crochet that. It was hot pink and there were blues and yellows and fluorescent greens and yellows, and each color means something different on a construction site. The body of work that I created is all industrial domestics, a series of aprons, mitts, purses, all sorts of different home associated pieces, and observations about what we wear and why is the guy's apron always blue and the gal's apron is frilly and pink. Who makes up these rules? Part of what I do is buck the system. I especially do that with the yarn bombing. I go rogue. I go out and yarn bomb streets, street lamps, parking meters. I go all over the place. One of the things about yarn bombing is you get to demonstrate in really vibrant color, really convey ideas, thoughts, or just have fun. During pandemic lockdown, we couldn't be in the studio, so I took my machine home and decided, okay, I'm going to learn how to tune it up. And I saw this opportunity to create big work. They are 7-foot tall, 10-foot wide sweaters. And each of those sweaters has a different theme, phrase, that we heard during the pandemic. Climate change is here. Black Lives Matter. Stop Asian hate. All of these things were coming to a rolling boil, and they were top of mind for everyone. We need to find solutions to these problems. I'm hoping that by saying some of these phrases in a softer, fabricated way, but in a big, like a billboard way, will make a difference.